So this video contains a kitchen cutlery storage hack, but it does not contain any patronising health and safety lectures. No such pompous self-righteous preachings on such matters. None. Honestly. So, if you are a new visitor to this channel, you're probably thinking, what was that rant all about at the beginning there? Well, regular subscribers know that we do not do health and safety nonsense on this video channel because we're all grown-ups, we're all mature, and there's too many people on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and other social media saying you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, oh, that's dangerous. Those armchair experts who are not really experts, and because they're not really experts, well, they're probably a danger in themselves. And we do not want to be like that, and I'm not going to be that person. And why am I saying this? Well, because this hack, as I go forward, you might think I'm breaking the rules here and doing a bit of self-righteous health and safety preaching. I am not. No. But this hack is about a kitchen magnetic cutlery storage bar. And how it came about is I was presenting another hack, and someone saw in the background I had one of these mag bars and asked me about it. And I thought, well, if they've seen it, some other people might see it. So I thought to say a little bit about it, because actually there is a hack in that as well. If you're tempted to put one of these up to store your cutlery, what I would say is don't go to Dunelm or Argus or any kitchens or suppliers, because the magnets on such magnetic bars, they're not that strong, and they might just wobble off the cutlery as you go over a bump, or maybe go flying towards the driver at a horrendous speed if something else happens. I don't know what that is, because we don't do health and safety lectures on this channel. So the hack here is instead take yourself up off to B&Q or Tool Station, Home Depot, Screwfix, that sort of place, and get a mag bar that's designed for tools, because they have got big cloth magnets and they hold a lot of stuff very, very strongly. However, whilst there might be a magnet nerd out there who will say, great idea, because say a typical N42 grade magnet that might be used on such a mag bar will have a shear stick that will require a force of around about 35 to 40 newtons to prise off, shear off a 85 gram knife, for example, which is far greater than the force that you would experience, which is going to be about 25 newtons should that 85 gram knife for some reason deaccelerate from 60 to 0 in 1 second. Can't think why that might happen, because we don't do health and safety on this channel. And so that's a very strong magnet. What I would say is that's okay, magnet nerd, but I'm crap at washing up. So there's a good chance I haven't rinsed it properly, and there might be a little bit of soap left on that knife, and so you might need a bit less than the 35 to 40 newtons of force for it to come off, which is why I choose to site my mag bar behind a bulkhead that's between the mag bar and me in the driver's cab. So if I do go over a bump and it rattles off, I'm not distracted by it rattling off for any other reason. But you guys might be much better washing up. To me, we're all grown-ups on this channel. We can make up our own minds where we decide to site our mag bar if we choose to adopt this hack, which does not contain any self-righteous, condescending, pompous health and safety advice.